So the first thing we teach them is how to feel. We make them go to the body. We say, you have a body, can you feel it? Mm-hmm. Some of them say, yes, of course, and some of them you ask them to feel their right foot and they cannot. So we teach them how to feel. You come to the body. When you know how to do that, you are immediately in the here and now, because the body is in the here and now. Then you get body awareness. Then we teach them how to have awareness of the emotional body. Any given moment you have emotions passing through, feelings passing through. Most people are not really aware of that because the thinking drowns all this out.
Because many people think they are feeling. They are thinking feeling instead of actually feeling. And this is incredible. Almost everybody thinks feeling. Isn't it?